Hi everyone, today I'm making this delicious easy chicken dinner recipe, balsamic chicken. First, we prepare our chicken marinade. Add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon of paprika and half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of water. The marinade is ready. Now add each piece of chicken and mix it well. Marinate the chicken for an hour. And now we begin the cooking process. In a hot pan, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook the chicken from each side for 2 minutes, then transfer it to a plate. Now add 2 tablespoons of Nestle milk packed butter, one tablespoon of minced garlic, saute the chicken until golden brown, and it smells amazing, guys. Continue flipping the chicken to keep the skin crispy, and now add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. Add 12 half-cut cherry tomatoes and some basil leaves. This is going to give your dish an amazing flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard followed by 2 tablespoons of balsamic or fruit vinegar. To bring the creamy texture of the dish, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of Nestle milk packed dairy cream. To add more flavor to the dish, add a cup of chicken stock. Continue mixing for at least 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame until the texture is really creamy and dense. Incredibly simple, delicious, bursting with authentic Italian flavors, our balsamic chicken is a perfect pick to serve at an iftar dinner. I hope you like the recipe, and if you do, do not forget to follow my page for more amazing content. Bye!